Hello everyone, Heine Haynes' Show for Scale. Today we have by Benchmark a fold-in ceramic knife. As you can see, they come in three colours. We've got lime green, we have pink, and we have black. 3-inch blade on them, white ceramic blade. So we all know the benefits of ceramic. Edge retention is absolutely superb on them. They are non-locking, as you can see, easy open, easy close. Nice and slim profile, contoured plastic composite handles, and they have a beaded keychain on them through the lanyard hole, or you can replace that with anything you wanted. But they are extremely sharp and extremely light. Not a lot of weight to them at all. So they are your Benchmade ceramic folding knives.